Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Inventory Management Portal. This is Ali Raza and today is our lecture number 31st, and in today's lecture I'm going to tell you about how can we do reporting in PHP, and that is known as FPDF. So let's start and have a look what is FPDF and how can we download this and how can we utilize FPDF in order to create and generate reports for our projects from the database and convert it into the PDF in the downloadable and the printable format. So let's start and have a look what we have today. Alright guys, first of all we have to go to the browser and simply type FPDF, okay, and you'll get this fpdf.org. It's open source, so we don't have to worry about this. So I'm sharing this resource to you guys because in order to get complete support, in order to get the complete tutorials, in order to get the complete guideline with respect to the FPDF, we can be able to generate the reports of our choice. Okay, so you see here we have downloads, we have tutorials, we have manuals, we have FAQs, we have so many things here in order to learn about FPDF. Okay, so basically what is FPDF? FPDF is a PHP class, that's it, that allows us to generate PDF files with pure PHP. That's it, and we need this for our projects. Okay, and here you see what is this F. F means free. Okay, so it's very beneficial thing for it's a very beautiful thing also for us to use. So what we can do, we can simply go to the downloads, and here you see there are so many versions for so many different languages are available. So the latest version is 1.82 and it's released on this at this date. So let's download the zip file. The reason of the zip is it has all the things that are written here already. Okay, it's so you can either go to the tutorials directly from here, or you can go you can navigate or traverse the folders inside this zip. Okay, so let's go to the folder. Okay, and here let's you can say cut it down and go to the C drive, and then XAMPP, and then inventory portal. Where is that? Our folder in htdocs, sorry. Okay, here we have the inventory portal, and you see, notice here I have created a folder already inside an inventory folder that is known as reports, and I have pasted the folder that you see already. Okay, though I can paste it again here, but I have already pasted those things. I have extracted the things from that FPDF. I hope it is clear to everyone. You see inside this we have all these the same. So now you see when I have extracted here from this zip file, you see I have got these things, and inside this we have the class that is the most important thing, and we can use this. Now the next step is I wanted to get or create the report. So in order to use this, let's go back to the tutorials, and you see let's go to the minimal example. If I mention you see the first thing that we need to do here, everything is written and everything is detailed, described in detail. Okay, so you see first of all we have to start with the classic example, and then we'll make the progress. So first of all we have to require the fpdf.php class, and then we have created the object, and then the page should be added. So you see this arrow is representing the dot or the period, and then the font has been set with the size this, and style this, and font this, and then cell is you can say responsible for the width, the height, and the text that should be displayed on the page, and then finally the output function that will display the PDF, and the PDF will be generated. I hope it is clear to everyone. So I have done this thing already. Let me show you that. You see here I have opened the report example. So first of all I have downloaded, and I have because I have created the report folder, and I have put my fpdf.php inside that folder. So you make sure you give the given correct path, and because I wanted to connect the database also, so I have used, just for example I am letting you know, so that in the later classes we can be able to do better reports for purchase invoice and for other things as well. So that's the mandatory thing that I should tell you for reporting. Now the connection has been done successfully from the connection. Okay, and now one more thing that we need to hear is require underscore once. Okay, require underscore once. So what's the difference between require and the require underscore once. Require means every time when the script executed, this gets this file whatever is required. But require once means if the script executed once, it loads the file, and when the script executes again and again, it will not load the file again and again, though it already has that file. Okay, so that's the difference between the require and the require once. Simple. So it's your choice what's the situation you have, so that you can use that. So now I have created the query simple get products from the database, then I've executed the query, and then PDF object, okay, with the constructor, then the page has been added, then the font. Okay, now what fonts are supported? So let us go to the reports, and you can check the fonts in the fonts folder. These are the fonts that are available right now. You can add different fonts, but right now these are the fonts that are available. Okay, so Times, so we can add here Times, let's say, and this is bold, and this is the size. Okay, and then the rest of the thing is the same as we have done. So I have first of all I have executed the query, and then got the results inside res. So whatever products I have then checked, then whether the rows are returned or not. So if the rows are returned, then I have used the while loop, and when the data has been fetched from the result and stored row wise, column wise inside the row, then what I have done, instead of hard coding the data, you see inside this example, so instead of writing hello world here, what I have passed the row of 0, that means the ID, or yes, the ID of the product, I think, and then the name of the product. Simple. Okay, but this time you see here I have used the width is with this you can say 40, and the height is 10 in size, and the data is this. And you see when you let me show you, when you open the bracket, it shows you width, okay, then height, then the text that should be displayed, and then the border size, then the ln is used for, you see, the line breaks. Let me show you that as well. So where it is written, here it is. You see the line break can also be done with the ln method. Okay, so you can use the line breaks as well. And then what's the next thing? What was the next thing? Let me show you that. Okay, the alignment I have given here 3, just give here 0, and then the next thing is the alignment, then the fill, then the link if you want to, but these are the optional parameters. You can pass these things at least, okay, at least the data, at least till the data. Okay, that's it. Now the next step is to I should tell you display the results, because you see I have 2 products in the database. So when I execute this while loop runs for 2 times, and then 2 cells will be created on the PDF, and then the output will be displayed. So when I run this page, so let me first start the XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP control and start. Okay, so let's go and execute this. You see the report example. So what we will do, we will redirect this. You see the data, how data is coming. Now there are other tutorials as well. You can see we can download this, we can print this, we can do everything. We can add images with the help of FPDF. We can add tables, we can do alignments, we can apply margins, we can apply paddings. Everything can be done with the help of FPDF, guys. So in today's lecture I have demonstrated how can we create a report using FPDF in PHP, and how can the database can be accessible with the help of the report. Okay, so in the later classes we'll do create the report for the purchase invoice also, with proper designing and everything. Okay, so hope you have learned a new skill today. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and do press the bell icon, and do not select the personalize, but instead select the all notifications, so that you can get every upcoming lectures of mine. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.